In today's video, I'm going to show you how to pin post on Facebook page on Android phone. So when you open your Facebook account, just go and switch on to your Facebook page and go to your profile. So once you're in your Facebook page, just go ahead and select a post that you wanted to pin. For example, this one. Tap the three dots and then select pin post. So as you can see, it's already on the top. So whenever someone has visit your Facebook page, they will see all the pin posts you have made on your Facebook page. And that's how to pin post on Facebook page on Android phone. So I hope you find this video helpful, and if you do, please don't forget to like and subscribe to my YouTube channel. Thanks for watching.